Dear friends, this is one video where many people have asked me just to tell, Sir, you are going to teach about mining plan and 106 2B. Why do we need it? In fact, the answer is very long. Instead of telling you it, I request all of you just to go through it. Now, what is a mining plan? Please remember there is a difference between mine planning and mining plan. Mining plan is the document what you prepare for every mine, what we submit for approval. Mining plan approval you call. Mines are, as per IBM, categorized under Group A, Category A, and Category B. In Category B, most of your mines probably, if you are working in big mine, that is different. They fall under Category B, the first group, where you use machinery and explosives. The second group is a manual mine. Now, why should the mining plan be prepared carefully? You can ask, sir, there is RQP or some other person or people, they prepare it and it gets approved. No. You should prepare as a mining engineer. Once you have learned mining, as a geologist, once you have learned geology, if somebody else has to prepare it, naturally you should have one more thinking about it. What for a good mining plan is required? I call it good. Means well written, well documented. Because the mining plan is a proof of your commitment, and it is the document where whenever any inspection comes, IBM or other Directorate of Mines and Geology, EC, even EC, environmental clearance, all these people, they go on the basis of mining plan only. Even EC is issued, environmental clearance is given to you only based on the mining plan. And the PFR, that is pre-feasibility report, risk assessment, EMP, and EMP costing, all these are prepared only based on the mining plan what you prepare. So how careful you should be in preparing the document? Based on the document, even violation penalties are calculated. I can tell you one case where in a mining plan, one person, the mine is somewhere from Chittoor or Nellore, I don't remember. I was scoping it as a member of that board. In that, a simple mistake costed him 12 lakhs penalty. I know that one zero has missed in that. But a document, when it is signed by Directorate of Mines and Geology, unfortunately, even the geology officer signed it, naturally you cannot expect them to read every line. So, there he paid around 12 or 11 lakhs penalty instead of 1.2 lakhs. So, this need not happen with everybody, but it can happen to anybody. The document can stand in the court of law tomorrow. In case something happens, if somebody says, no, you have done illegal mining, you can show the document. Sir, look at this document. This is approved mining plan. I have done as per that. Next, whenever your EC enhancements, like your owner is producing, let us say, some 2000 or some cubic meters or something. He wants to increase it to 2500. The basis is this mining plan only. Who can prepare it? Most of us know it is RQP, registered qualified practitioner or recognized qualified practitioner, generally either a geologist or mining engineer with some experience was earlier preparing. Now, there is an amendment that the RQP system is abolished. Abolished means still people are preparing. There is nothing like RQP only should prepare. No, you also can prepare. In fact, it is the owner who signs the document, and your owner cannot really prepare it unless he is a knowledgeable person like you. He cannot prepare. So, the owners get it done through people like you. Naturally, in the field of competition, I remember some 5-6 years before, for one mining plan they used to charge around 1 lakh. Now it has come down to 40,000, 30,000 depending on the quality. But remember, when you maintain quality, when the approved mining plan is through, your value increases. So who can prepare? Now geologists or mining engineers like you can prepare. Or if you are a working mining engineer, you have an advantage because you have studied geology also. You know what is mining, how mining looks. And geologists also can do it if they are working in mine. Otherwise also you can do if you have visited the mine and if you have an idea. What do you gain from this? Why to waste 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees? What do you gain? If you are working for a company, you can prepare the next mining plan by yourself or scheme or you can earn additional money by preparing it for small mines at a reasonable cost. Lastly, most important, you are again studying your engineering of open cast mine planning and design. Though not about missionary, even mission planning we teach in this. Who all can join? If you are a working mining engineer or a mining engineer who worked earlier and now not doing anything, any working geologist or any person who completed degree or diploma in mining can join. Any person who completed MSc geology also can join. But remember, friends, this course is not useful for students. Please do not get excited and join in this because you like my lecture, you like the way of my teaching. Please don't join and waste money. This requires a pictorial imagination of mining. Once we say mine bench, your mining engineers and geologists who work, they can just get a picture of bench. For you, it may be difficult. Okay, don't join unless you are badly interested. Okay, what do we cover? Actually, there are 40 slides. What we get? What do you cover? But only a few I am giving. Coverage will be strictly as per IBM format. You will be surprised. The first column, how to fill the name of the applicant itself, is a big lecture. Because, so let us say your name is ABCD. Name of the applicant is not ABCD. Name of the applicant can be a corporation. Name of the applicant can be a body. Name of the applicant can be a Hindu undivided family. So, every column has its own sanctity. And that is how, when, for example, you get one mineral, you have multiple minerals, what to do? You have one mineral, you don't want to mine others, what to do? You are mining one mineral, suddenly you found another 5-6 minerals, what to do? All these are answered in my lecture. What documents are need to be collected before preparing a mining plan? Like you go to a journey, you take your suitcase, your toothbrush, paste, maybe soap, or maybe some food items what your mummy gives you, or maybe some books to read, or your cell phone charger. Like that, there is a big list. Even if you miss one, you will have a nuisance. Like that, what are all the documents, photographs, evidences, what you should collect before preparing a mining plan? That we will cover, and the reason why. And prospecting, many people say not applicable. It is foolish. It is applicable, but you have not done. There are reasons, valid reasons for not doing it. Many mining plans come to our place. We say, what do you mean by prospecting not applicable? They simply keep their head down, sir. Sorry, sir, next time we will try. But that next time never came. That is a different thing. Around 2000 mining plans we have seen during my these 6 years. But that next time never came. But at least you should not do that mistake if you learn this. So about prospecting, then very important topic of this lecture will be reading topo sheet. And topo sheet reading itself is one day, and 4 to 5 days you will be doing the exercise, especially about the stream orders, how to describe a stream order, and then most important, how to do the coverage of that topo sheet. What do you mean by buffer area? What do you mean by safety zone? What do you mean by land utilization? If you don't laugh, I will tell you one thing. When I say in mining plans, most of the great people who write the mining plan in land utilization, they say, we are using 10% for excavation, 5% for this. No, that is not land utilization. The land utilization within the 5 kilometers area, like how much are the grazing lands, how much are the cultivation lands, how much are used for this social purpose, all that is you have to do. That will be taught here. And next we go to mine plan. I am skipping many. 1.5 hours lecture for 20 days. Not continuously, don't be afraid in between. What are the sections? What are the plans? How do you calculate reserves? How do you calculate reserves from AutoCAD? AutoCAD also I am telling you. How the contours have to be restructured. What do you mean by contouring? What do you mean by interpolation of contour? Many topics. You will be mad. You will be again a student, to be frank, a college student. Then how to calculate waste mining, how the utilization of waste should be written, slope stability, area required for waste dumping, a big topic. Around 100 to 150 cases we have returned while giving EC because they didn't show waste dump properly. Properly means lot of waste, no waste dump, or maybe small area. So all these things will be given to infrastructural planning. And in this I have not mentioned, most important is your final mine closure and progressive mine closure. Hell lot of mistakes people do. Until now I think I have seen one or two IBM approved plans which have got proper mine closure and progressive mine closure. Even I am no exception. When I prepared like a fool, I prepared bad mining plans. I have learned it on experience. I am not saying I am born with excellent ability to prepare mining plan. I have done more mistakes than anybody else. From mistakes I have learned, and now I want to know that you don't do that mistakes. Especially on the closers, because slides are more. This topic I don't know whether you people will be interested or not, but I am releasing for you people. Then afterwards on 106 2B document how to prepare, we will give you all the models, okay, that you can prepare and do what surveys are to be done. Then who will teach? Anyway, you are seeing me since many videos. I will be part of it, majority to be frank. One Mr. C.H. Satyanarayana, MSc Geology and active geologist in field. Sri S. Yadgiri, who is assistant professor in geology, will be teaching part of it. Especially he will be teaching you on area calculations and volumes. Then Satyanarayana will be more covering about geology and other areas, how to write regional geology, that geology, this geology, all that. I will be talking about mining and all remaining topics. One Mr. Srikant and Sushmita, they are wife and husband. They will be organizing and they will be the administrators. They will be contacting you for what? They will be contacting you for telling, sir, you have to submit your answer sheet. Sir, you have to submit your so and so. They are actually the chasers, not organizers. Next, starting date and method. The total classes will be live because COVID, you don't want you to suffer. And the same will be recorded and played on the same day for one more batch. It will not be repeatedly played for 100 times. It will be because some of you may be in first shift, so you are not available up to 2 p.m. If you are in second shift, you are not available up to 10 p.m. If you are in night shift, you can be available in evening and also in the morning. So most probably we will be taking that webinar from morning 10 to 1.5 hour, 11:30. 10 to 11:30 you can complete your breakfast and other miscellaneous jobs. Only 1.5 hour. I can teach you 10 hours, but you can't receive it. Then again in the evening from 3:30 to 5 we will complete. Okay, these are the two times, or 4 to 6, 4 to 5:30, whatever you feel. These two batches. The second half batch will be recorded. First half batch is played, original, live. Both are same. Number of lectures will be around 20 or even more. It can be more also. Every lecture will followed by a brief notes which will be sent to you by mail. You can distribute it. There is nothing wrong. What is there in not distributing? Everybody should gain knowledge. 3,000 rupees fees is not the ultimate thing for us. You have to learn. But we have to pay a lot of money for these webinars and other things. And the questionnaire will be sent to you for solving and you have to send it back. That is where the difference comes. You cannot send a questionnaire without paying anything. And I don't think it is difficult. If you are really in difficulty, I tell you, I know some people who are really poor, really suffering. They have studied their diploma or degree or some geology. Please call me personally. I will help you. I will reduce the fees. Not for money. It is meant for internet charges, lot of traffic apart from these other things. For that I have to pay. Your answers will be viewed by experts and feedback will be given in correction over phone also if required. And one group exercise, 2 or 3 group exercises will be there. You will be sent mining plan and will be asked to find out the mistakes in that. And that names will be removed, don't worry. And in every group we will distribute topo sheets and you will have to do the topo sheet exercise. The groups will be pre-designated That will be webinar, maybe 20 people, 30 people in one group. You people have to have group findings. That will be for 2.5 hours. Because group discussion, then solving exercises will be prepared in a model and sent to your office. Every person will be given unique ID. Like, I have got webinar classes separately, I have got this, then I am teaching for you the mining in other classes, and also I teach engineering mechanics. And now we are starting for gate mining. Gate mining, we are starting. So all this requires different confusion, lot of people. So you will be given one unique ID for this particular mine planning and 106. Okay, that unique ID you should use. You need to pay us rupees 3,000 per joining. And you will be given receipt if you want, official receipt. You can produce it anywhere for your claims if you want. The payment is through Google Pay or bank transfer. The details will be sent to you. Gentlemen, lastly, I believed it from my age of 30, not from 22 to 30. Knowledge is not power. You can visit Google and get it, but power is how you use the knowledge. You may have knowledge of mine planning, you may have knowledge of fleet, but how you use, that is what we teach you. So, all the best. God bless you. Please go through the lecture I have released in the morning. That is on forest clearances. Very important. And if you learn that, here it will be easy. Thank you.